That's the treat.
Does that sound like fun?
Yeah.
That's a treat for all of us.
Well, look at the toy.
How you like that?
Can I have one?
Wait, hold up. We gotta go talk to Mr. Robert. He's over there. Yeah.
To take a fire engine ride, you can't go wrong. I'll sing a song, I'm gonna be your special guide. We're gonna cross the Golden Gate down to Sausalito Way. You won't believe the sights riding high above the bay. It's an adventure like no other.
It's fun, fun, fun.
Are you ready? We're going now to take a fire engine ride. Yay! We're gonna have a great time. But did you notice we don't sing until every seatbelt's fast? Your driver is Captain Robert. I'm the co-captain Marilyn, and you're the crew. And we'd like to know everybody's name who's on our fire engine cruise.
Let's cross over the bridge.
As Captain Robert says, we're going to cross the Golden Gate Bridge. There is no turning back. But remember, we're going to stop before we cross. Eventually the planer wears out. So you want to give it a couple of rings there. A little harder, pull it down. There you go, a couple more. There you go.
Not so hard.
That's easy. Now this gentleman asked for a little rhythm here, so I'll give you a little rhythm. There you go here.